Yes. So yesterday we have discussed what is an AI. Okay. So there are many other LLM models. Why all these emerged? So why all these type of AI tools emerged? The reason ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity. Why these many tools? The reason for emerging these tools? What's the reason?
To help
Yes. What is the
humans,
reason?
to help humans.
No.
To make
Listen
to
question. So AI is nothing but artificial intelligence, right? So ChatGPT is going to create content, images, everything. Then why all these new tools are emerging daily? The Gemini, Perplexity, many other tools are coming daily. Why? Why we require all these tools?
make
To
machines
learn more about these
smart.
things.
Yes. The purpose of creating these tools is
To make
To learn.
easy, ma'am. To make life easy.
yes, based on our requirements, right? We
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to complete one functionality, so we want this particular tool, not no need that tool work on all other factors. So I want a perfect image generator. Then no need of training that model, the content, everything, right? I can train only images so that it can work effectively, giving image output, right? Yes, right? Yes. So, for images, so how all these tools work? Based on the data they trained. So, ChatGPT was trained on lump sum of data. Okay. So, based on the data it was trained and how it was trained. These two are very important for giving output. Any tool, you consider any tool. Okay. So, have you heard about this tool, Gemini? Anyone? So, Google Gemini, have
Yes,
you heard?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
ma'am. I heard.
Yes. So can anyone tell me what is the difference between ChatGPT and the Gemini? So ChatGPT is also a model, right? So LLM model, we can get the whatever question we can ask and get the output from ChatGPT. Then why again Google Gemini we need this tool? So Google Gemini, why you used you have heard this tool, right? So what is the purpose of this Gemini?
Same as ChatGPT.
Yes, it is also same like ChatGPT, right? So what is the key difference? Anyone know the key difference between ChatGPT and Gemini?
Gemini is the upgrade version of ChatGPT. It has uh, more things which don't have in ChatGPT.
Yes. Why? Why? Because ChatGPT was trained to that particular time itself. But Gemini, this is the best model. It takes the real-time data also. Okay. So it was a model developed by Google. Okay. So it takes the real-time data, real-time insights also and give you the exact up-to-date output. This ChatGPT, suppose it was trained only till December 2025 data. If you ask anything from January 1st, 2026, it is not going to answer that, right? Okay,
Yes,
because
No,
it was
ma'am.
trained only till December 2025 data only. But Gemini, it regularly updates from the real-time insights. So it gives the updated output for you. Okay. So this and simple example, ChatGPT is it is another brand and Google company designed this model Gemini. Okay. So we can also install Google Assistant in your mobile. You can try using this Google Assistant. Have anyone is having this Google Assistant application in your mobiles?
Yes, ma'am. I
So
have.
no, ma'am.
Google Assistant, right? So try this. This is a wonderful application for mobile phones. Okay. Why? Because if you get any doubt, simply you can capture that pic and upload here, ask Gemini. So what is this? Explain me very detailedly. Okay. So if in your book, you have to capture the pic, you simply upload here in your mobile phone itself and ask the Gemini. So to get updated content, okay, we need to use Gemini. Okay, so today I'm going to introduce Google Gemini and also Perplexity tools for you. Okay, so ChatGPT, Gemini, these are all the chat models we call chat models. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed, right, how to use this ChatGPT when you got stuck on your homework. Okay, if you're not able to understand a particular concept and if you want AI to write a beautiful essay for you. Okay, so we will get the real-time answers using Gemini, updated content. If you want the updated output, you have to use Gemini. Okay, so all tools works in the similar manner. Okay, see the correct definition you can see AI is nothing but it is an artificial intelligence. It is a computer program that has been trained on millions of data. Okay, so millions of data it was trained. So if I train only images, it is an image model. If I train only data, it is a chat model. Okay, based on the data we train, it works, it gives the output based on that. Okay, so if you ask a question, what we call the question, what we ask to the AI tools, we call it as a what we call the question the instruction we give to the tools. What we call that word, the terminology I need.
Prompt,
Prompt.
ma'am.
Prompt. Okay, so the prompt should follow three formula rules, right? The first one,
Role, ma'am.
role, yes. The second one,
Context, ma'am.
very good, context, the present situation we are facing. And the next one,
Task, ma'am.
yes, the task what the tool should do, we have to define in this three formula format. It is a good prompt. So if you ask in a detailed question format, it understands what you want exactly and it gives you the exact output. Okay, so chat gpt yesterday we have discussed, right, it is like a person, it is like a friend. You can ask questions anytime. It writes stories, it summarizes the concepts. So can anyone try the generating mnemonics what I have shared in the document? Mnemonics. So generally what is a mnemonic? So there will be in our studies there will be some situations like we definitely have to keep those the things what we learn. Example, there are 9 planets, right? The list of that 9 planets we have to by heart and remember, right? 9 planets name. Similar way, in our studies, there will be many other things which we have to study and by heart those things and keep remember all the time. So as a humans, if we read all the planets one by one, we may forget the exact order. Will you agree? The exact order. So we may forget, right? So what is the first, the exact order of that planets? If you ask ChatGPT, give me a mnemonic, a shortcut to remember all these planets. So what is the shortcut? Have you tried? Yesterday I have given the in document about mnemonic. Have you seen mnemonic yesterday in the document? Mnemonic. So the method you use to remember the planets, any method you follow to remember the list of planets?
I use I'll take first letter, ma'am. I'll place
Yes.
and I'll like
You
V
frame
and
a
I'll
word,
like
right? You
remember,
frame a
ma'am. Yes,
word,
ma'am.
meaningful word, or a story format, a connection.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
called mnemonic. Okay. So if you are learning, suppose particular formulas or particular list of things, as it is, we don't remember. Our brain also works like a link format. Okay. If we create a link or if we generate a story format, we can remember very well. So mnemonic. So if I ask ChatGPT, so give me a mnemonic for remembering the planets. It has given me this simple line. My very educated mother just shows us 9 planets. This is a story, a simple linking between. M shows the first planet name. V shows Venus. E shows Earth. The correct sequence we easily remember using this mnemonics. ChatGPT, if you ask, it is also going to generate the mnemonics as well. So if you want to remember
Ma'am, can
particular
you explain
concepts,
again? I didn't understand. I didn't
yes, yes,
understand.
Aryan.
Can you explain?
Yes, I'm going to explain you. Let me show you otherwise, okay? See, mnemonic. So there are how many planets? Generally 9 planets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 9 planets we are having, okay? So I'm a student. I'm unable to recollect the exact pattern of 9 planets. So I have to remember to to write the topic in my exam as it is the list of planets in this particular order. Okay, the first planet. So this format I have to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Yes.
Uranus and Neptune, ma'am.
Very good.
Uranus and Neptune,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this particular format, if I'm a student, I'm not able to recollect the exact pattern. So I want some shortcut
Ma'am, there
to
are
remember
8.
this. Yes. Yes. Any doubt?
Ma'am, there are only 8.
So Pluto was removed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So sorry, I will change the number. Okay. Yes. So this pattern I'm not able to remember. This is an example. In studies, you might get many other things. You have to remember the list as it is and implement in your exams. So our human brain will work like a linking pattern. If we create a story out of this, so we can write the first letters. Okay. So M, V, E, M, J, S, U. Still also I'm not able to recollect because this is not something more meaningful for me to remember. So I will go to ChatGPT. Okay. So I will on this mic. I want to learn all the 9 planets list exactly as it is. So give me a useful mnemonic for remembering the list of planets. The mnemonic spelling I will mention here. You can try using this same mnemonic in other subjects as well. Okay, so mnemonic. So let me go here. So yes, useful mnemonic. See what it has given, easy mnemonic. My very educated mother just served us noodles pizza. We can remember, right? In this small connection is there. Okay, so you can able to recollect M itself Mercury, very V Venus. This is the mnemonic. You can ask to generate mnemonic in any subject wherever you want to recollect the things and remember and put the exact list in your exams directly. Okay, is it clear, Aryan and Vivek? I think mnemonic you understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so try today you creating mnemonics on different subjects. Okay, wherever you feel difficult to remember the things. Okay, yes. So this is a conversational, it is like your friend ChatGPT. It is good at writing essays, stories, summaries, poems, everything. But the thing is you have to ask in a very detailed way. The question should be very clear. Okay, ChatGPT is also like a small kid. It don't understand if you say it in a single line. You have to explain in a very detailed way for getting perfect outputs. Okay, so you can you have to explain your context also very clearly. So you have to ask it to explain the tough concept in simple words with simple real-time examples. These kind of words you have to add in your prompt. Okay, so then you will get the exact output what you want. So how we have used this chat GPT to understand a chapter, to write an essay as a math helper, so creative story writer. Okay, so if you ask whatever it is going to generate you. Okay, so these are all the prompts what we have tried yesterday, right? So we can also summarize a particular book and create a report. Okay, so we can also use in your studies like main 3 reasons. So if you are having a lengthy question, so you can simply ask the chat GPT to summarize it in 3 main factors, adding 3 main reasons for this situation. You can ask in that way. Okay, so science pattern, so different subjects, how you're going to use ChatGPT, we have discussed yesterday. Today we are going to use Google Gemini. This is also the same chat model like ChatGPT. Both are chat models. We can chat and get the output from these models. Okay, so the main difference is this Gemini will give up to date knowledge. ChatGPT gives based on the data till when it was trained. So till December 2025 it was trained. So up to that data only you will get. The updated data, again if it is trained only, then we can get the updated data from that tool. But here Gemini, it regularly updates and give you the up-to-date knowledge. Okay, it works, it takes the data from Google. Google, why you use Google? It is a, what is Google?
Search engine, ma'am.
Very good. It is a search engine, right? So search engine. So generally before this AI, we are habituated to use Google. If we get any doubt, we go and search, we'll get the output. Okay. So it takes the Google data, current data, and give you the output, the Gemini tool. Even the Gemini, it understands images as well. Okay, so right now ChatGPT was also updated with images. Okay, so it was also trained on that. But earlier, the only Gemini is the tool which is going to generate the images prior to the ChatGPT. It is updating daily. ChatGPT is also getting updating. Okay, so the main difference I'm explaining you. So you can use any of the tool, whatever it is comfortable, you can use. So if you're comfortable with ChatGPT, you can use that. It is also another same like model. We can take the help of Gemini as well. Okay. So, but if you want recent information, up-to-date information in your output, then you have to use the Gemini. Suppose you are preparing one particular essay on real-time situations or real-time updates, real-time events, then if you go and take the essay from ChatGPT, the updated events may not be included. Okay, so if you want updated content also, updated insights also, you have to use Google Gemini. Okay, so Google Gemini, how we have to use, let me explain you. So the main difference, okay, so it is having also Gemini is giving limited, so compared to ChatGPT as it is limited, so Gemini we are also able to generate the custom GPTs, but in ChatGPT the paid version only give all resources to practice. Okay, so it is earlier it is only focused on text. Okay, so it Gemini from the beginning, it understands images, diagrams, content, everything. And Gemini researches the current events also. Okay. So if you want a detailed explanation or detailed stories on historical subjects, then you can use ChatGPT. Okay. So both are same models. If you want the updated content, you have to use Gemini. Okay. See, this is the what I have said just now. You try today, go to your Play Store in mobile. So install the Google Assistant. So Gemini Assistant, AI Assistant. You search in your Play Store. Okay. So I will show how it looks. The assistant. So this is the symbol. So Google Gemini Assistant. Go to the Play Store. Are you able to see? 1 second. So here. Okay. So this is the Google Gemini Assistant. You search in the Play Store and install that so that it is gonna help you whenever you get a query. You can simply upload that and ask and communicate like a friend anytime. Okay. So here, let me explain you how to use Gemini. Okay. So same like if you want to use ChatGPT, we went to the browser and entered ChatGPT. Now, what is the tool I want to use? Gemini. So I want to enter Gemini. Okay. So here you are able to see Google Gemini. This is the website link, gemini.google.com. So click the first link. So the interface is same like ChatGPT, right? It looks similar. Yes or no? So the
Yes, ma'am.
interface is same. Okay. So in here we are seeing extra option like tools. Click the tools. So this is the place where we enter prompt for both ChatGPT as well for Gemini. Here there is another option, tools. So the main purpose of using Gemini is for generating image. If your requirement is to get output an image, then you will select the create image tool. Then it works like an image generator. Okay. So if you describe detailedly in your prompt, you're getting the exact output, the image what you want. Okay. Suppose I want to generate a penguin with wings in the moon. Okay. I have to explain the prompt detailedly, like generate image of penguin with wings on the moon. Is it a good prompt or a bad prompt what I have given here? Is it a good prompt or bad prompt?
Bad prompt.
So bad prompt because it is not clear, right? So which color of penguin you want, which style image you want. Okay. So you can also, you have to be more specific. Okay. If you want to generate one particular output, you want to explain in a specific way. Suppose we are not expert in writing prompts. Okay. You want an exact prompt for generating the best output. So within fraction of seconds, you got this image, right? So is this good? So penguin with wings on the moon. Based on the prompt we have given, it has generated. So if your prompt is very detailed prompt, if you give, you will get the exact output. Suppose you want the image in anime style, not this style. So you have to define it in the prompt. Okay, this is the only way of communicating with the tools, the prompt itself. So here, listen properly. For writing the exact prompt also, we can take the help of ChatGPT. Okay. So what is my requirement now? So let me add my requirement. So what I want? I want a detailed prompt. For what? For generating penguin image. Penguin. I want penguin with wings. And it should be on the moon in anime style. Okay. So it is not the clear prompt actually. I'm not able to write a detailed prompt. Okay. And ask Gemini. So I will copy this bad prompt what I have right now. I will go and take the help of ChatGPT. Here it generates anything, right? So we can simply give best prompt for this. Okay. So I will just copy paste the thing what I have written. I'm asking ChatGPT. What I'm asking ChatGPT? The best prompt. I want to generate a penguin with wings on the moon in anime style. I want a detailed prompt. Okay. What ChatGPT is giving here? What is this? What is this?
Prompt.
Prompt, right? So how it is explaining? A majestic penguin with large glowing feathered wings standing on the surface of the moon in a highly detailed anime style. The penguin has expressive, slightly oversized anime eyes with a soft glow, smooth glossy feathers with subtle blue and silver highlights. This much prompt we are not able to write by ourselves, right? So that's the reason I'm taking the prompt from ChatGPT. I will copy this prompt, go to Gemini, I will paste here.
Paste in.
Okay, do you understand what I have done? I want to use
Okay.
Gemini in creating an image. I'm not able to write a detailed prompt explaining what kind of image I want. So I took the help of ChatGPT. I have given my bad prompt here and asked ChatGPT to improvise my prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT improvised the prompt. I have just copied that prompt. Go to Gemini. I have pasted that here. Okay, so anime style image we are able to see here, right? Is this more wonderful, right, to use it in stories? Which one is good?
This
So
one.
which one is good? This one is good. So if we want to generate an ultimate image, a beautiful image, we have to write a detailed prompt. So even though if you are not able to write the prompt by ourselves, you can take the help of ChatGPT. Go generate the prompt for this image. Copy that prompt. You can use it in Gemini. Do you understand the process what I have done here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is my requirement? I want to generate a beautiful image in Gemini itself, but I'm not good at writing a detailed prompt. Okay, so that's the reason I went for ChatGPT, given my bad prompt, and asked ChatGPT to convert it into a high quality prompt. So I took that prompt and I pasted here. See the output. Okay, so I think everyone understood, right? So how to get best prompt for generating beautiful images. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
a recent one. We can also generate music here. Okay. So deep research. If you want a particular concept that Gemini should deep research and give you the answer, you can select this mode. Okay. So then it will do deeper research and give you the perfect output. Okay, so that is the importance of selecting deep research. Okay, so is it clear till now what we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so generate a beautiful, see already you have created the story in ChatGPT, right? So generate the image relevant to that story. This is the today's task. Example, so Manvita, you have written one story, Mango
Yes.
and Technology. So for
Yes, ma'am.
that story, you have to generate suitable image using Gemini.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you
Ma'am, can
want to
I
convert.
generate video?
So video we'll discuss later. Just now you try to generate image.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So complete story video I will show how to generate in further classes as well. But today task, so whatever you have written, the poem, the story using ChatGPT yesterday, you convert or you generate a suitable image for your poem, for your story using Gemini,
Okay, ma'am.
giving the best prompt. Okay. And if you click here, expand menu, we are having many other options in Gemini. Okay. See here, you can see the gems option, right? Gems. You click the gems. Okay, so here in gem manager we are having pre-made gems. Okay, so what are all the pre-made gems we are able to see here? See, once let me show again. See, this is the recipe genie. It is going to help you explain the recipes. Okay, so these are all the custom GPTs we can call, and we can also call custom gems. Okay, so here new chat, in the chat model we are going to ask generate images. This is the recent one. It was added very recently. We can also generate the music. Okay, so we can write the content on any factors. You can also get updates from the regular events, regular activities what are going on in the news. Okay, this gems section is very important. We can able to use this gems section and create whatever we want for our requirement. Okay, so we will discuss creating custom ChatGPT chat bots using these gems in the upcoming sessions. But as of now, you just go through all these gems, predefined gems what Google is having. Okay, so you check all these gems. So we are having video marketer, visual storyteller, sticker generator. Okay, so these are all the custom gems we are having inside this. So if I try to use one gem, okay, so let me use story. Okay, so story, visual storyteller. Okay, so I will click this. We can call these gems as custom chatbots as well. Okay, so this is the predefined, see, this is the original prompt to generate this predefined gem. So if you simply ask to generate a story on particular concept, generate a story for 8-year kid. It should explaining importance of solar system. So I am converting the study concept into a story so that I can remember very well. Okay. So these are all predefined gems. Predefined gems, storytellers, everything we are having. See, it is going to explain you. Submit. So what is a gem here? Gem is a custom chatbot. Gem is a custom chatbot designed for a specific purpose. Okay. So what is a gem in Gemini? What is a
It is
gem
a
in Gemini?
chatbot.
So it
Chatbot.
is a custom chatbot. Very good. So it was designed for specific purpose. So now I have opened one specific gem. It is a visual storyteller. Okay. So visual storyteller, it was designed for generating visual stories. So there are many other gems, right? So let me open once here as well. Gemini. So there are many other gems. Okay, so here storybook. So storybook, chess champ. Okay, so there are many other gems. So if you open the storybook, you can ask a simple prompt. Okay, so my 7-year-old does not. You can select from here as well, or you can give a best prompt. Okay, so like I want a story for 8-year-old. Bedtime stories. Bedtime stories. So this is not a good prompt, right? Is this a good? Yes. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So this is not a good prompt, right? Is this a good prompt?
No, ma'am.
No, I
No,
want
ma'am.
good prompt. So what I have to do?
Copy and paste it into the ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give a
Good prompt.
prompt.
Convert it into a good prompt.
Good
Okay.
prompt.
So you have to explain your context as well. I want to use Google Gem storybook and want to generate a story. So give me the best prompt. So I will paste my prompt. What I want story for a 8-year-old bedtime story. So you have to explain your idea as well. See here it is giving a detailed prompt. Okay. So we can simply take this. So go to Gemini. So I will paste the detailed prompt. Okay. So I'm getting the noise from someone. Yes. Okay, fine. See here, I have pasted the prompt. The storybook is itself a custom chatbot, right? So it is going to generate within a few minutes a beautiful story, a storybook based on the prompt we have given. We can also create the custom storybooks. Yes. So we can also generate the custom storybooks. Whatever story you want, you have to give in the prompt. Okay. So you will see the output here. So you can try today using the custom gems, whatever you see in this section. Okay. So here we have seen many options, right? So these are all custom gems. Okay. So recipes, it is going to give whatever recipe you want. You're going to get it from here. Yes, Shiva, please mute yourself, Shiva. Okay, yes. So try to use one custom gem and create. So this is the story generated within a few seconds, right? So we can listen the story as well, or you can open it and read the story also. So this is the, if you're not able to read the story, you can click listen button here. It is going to read out the story for you. Are you getting the sound?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You're not getting the sound, so maybe it is the team's problem. Okay, so once you try to generate the storybook, so with a good prompt, okay, so to generate the story in the similar format, what you're going to do, you're going to open Google Gemini, go to gems section, so you can select the storybook one. Okay, so the custom chatbot what already predefined in that, so give the best prompt and generate the super story out from here. Okay, so you can read by yourself. Okay, so or else you can listen the story. So it is a 10-page storybook it was generated. Okay, so the purpose of this storybook gem is to create stories itself. It doesn't work if you give another task, so generate the image. It isn't going to do that because it was trained to create only storybooks. Okay, so you understand the importance of gems in Gemini. Those are predefined chatbots. So in further sessions, I'm going to teach you creating custom chatbot based on particular requirement. Okay, so example, you're a ninth grade kid. So you want complete ninth grade trainer, ninth grade mentor, ninth grade tutor for you. So we will going to train that ChatGPT chatbot with the complete ninth class subjects. Okay. And also we are going to train the format what you are going to understand. So every individual is having the different format, right? So someone will understand if explained easily. Someone need a deeper explanation. So based on the particular kid, so how they are going to understand that format we are going to train for this chatbots. Okay, so that it is going to help you at whatever, so whatever doubt you get, it is going to explain in the way you understand. Okay, so Gemini, the gems section is clear, right, everyone? Creating image and creating or using gems section, is it clear? Here we can
Yes,
also
madam.
create one new notebook as well. So if you are preparing something like you want to a particular topic like science topic. So whatever the questions you have generated, you can create one new notebook. Whenever you want, you can use it for a quick revision. Okay. So new notebook, you have to click get started. So and you can name your notebook as well. It is a science notebook. Okay. So it is a science notebook. So in this section, you are going to store all your science content. So whatever you want to revise, whatever all you can add your present standard subjects here and create separate notebooks as well. Okay. So if you are preparing for your exams, so particular chapter you want explanation, you can store chapter wise also here. You can also add sources, the sources from external sources like PDFs, documents. You can upload your book, textbook, chapter pick, and also convert it into a easy format and store here. We will discuss this notebook is it is nothing but we already discussed in our demo session about notebook LM. So notebook LM, it redirects there. So we can use notebook LM directly. It is another Google tool itself. So I will explain how to use notebook LM for your studies. Okay, so right now in Gemini, you have to use in the tools section, create image one. Okay, so canvas is nothing but if you want to make a story format. So you will select this canvas format and it will generate in that format. Okay, so deep research, if you want to do deep research on particular topic and get the solution, you will select this deep research tool. If you want to generate music, for generation of music, I will explain the other tools. Okay, so some tools are good at particular tasks. So Gemini is good in generating images and also for maintaining custom gems. Okay, custom chatbots. So it is based on the efficiency of the tools, we have to use the tool for that particular purpose itself. Okay, so today's task what I'm giving you is to generate you have generated using ChatGPT a story or a poem yesterday, right? So, relevant to your story or poem, generate a creative image. Okay, so you have to show your creativity as well. So, creative image that is representing your story, suitable to your story. Okay, so you have to explain your thoughts and take the help of ChatGPT and generate the story. Same here. Okay, so you want this particular style image. Okay, so you have to explain your idea and then ChatGPT you're using and converting it into a good prompt, the style you want, everything. So you're placing that prompt in Gemini and you're getting the exact image output from that. Okay, so you also use one gem over in your Gemini section. Today I have shown using the story creator, storybook, right? So there are many other gems in this section. You can try any other. Okay, so but try to create one storybook also. It will be very creative with images. It is in a book format. You can download it and share also. Okay, so this is the story generated by me. You can share it with others as well. You can directly share this storybook with the link as well. Okay, so use creativity and generate a creative story. Okay, so completely don't rely on AI. So explain your thoughts to this and generate the best output from these tools. Okay, so you can also try the other gems over here like chess charm, brainstormer. You can also try this brainstormer. Okay, so it is a custom chatbot. It is going to generate the it's completely, its functionality is based on that. Okay, see example. So you want to, you are having a bigger task ahead, so you want a proper plan to organize that. So it is gonna help you in a best way to solve that problem. Okay, see, help me plan a large family reunion to host at my house. So it is asking you, so who is coming, what's the vibe, okay, so what's the home base should be like. Okay, so it is asking questions considering our thoughts and finally giving suitable plan for our present situation. Okay, so this is the importance of brainstormer. You can explain any problem you're having and it is gonna help you by asking questions. It takes again the inputs and at the end it is going to give you the best perfect output. Okay, so you can try using storybook, generate one story, share it with your friends. Okay, is it clear till now what we have discussed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
any doubts, Aryan? Yes. Srinath, is it
No,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I want you have to show your creativity. You have to explain your ideas and implement those ideas taking the help of AI tools. Completely don't copy paste from tools. Okay. You explain what you want to generate and take the help of tools and create the particular format what you want. So yesterday, Srinath Aryan, so you have completely directly taken from ChatGPT, right? So today again you generate a story. You have to explain the creative thought in your brain. Ask ChatGPT to generate the story relevant to that, to generate the poem relevant to that. So it is going to generate a perfect poem or story for you. So also take the perfect prompt for generating suitable image for this story. Okay, using Gemini. So the quality of image, even ChatGPT is also going to generate the images. Have you tried? We can also
Yes,
get
ma'am.
the image from ChatGPT.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you anyone tried ChatGPT? So here I
Yes,
have
ma'am, but
taken the,
it will come very slowly. Ma'am,
yes. So we can also generate here, but the main difference, the model, okay, the quality of the image compared to ChatGPT, Gemini, it is a very good quality. Okay, so both are efficient in generating images. See here I can ask, also generate image for above prompt. So I'm asking ChatGPT to generate an image. So what image? The penguin in anime style. Okay, so here in ChatGPT it is using DALI image model. So the model is different. Okay, so the output you check, whatever output you like, you can use that particular tool for that main purpose. Okay, so there are many more tools which are very good at generating only images. Okay, so this ChatGPT and Gemini good at giving content. Okay, and Gemini, especially in the free version, it is giving everyone to create custom chatbots in gems section. Okay, so they have already created some predefined gems, and it is also giving scope for users to generate based on their particular requirement. Okay, so this is also able to generate the images, the chat GPT. See, both images are same or different. So both
Different.
are different. Okay, so the images generated by each model is different. Both are not same. These are unique. Okay, so if you like this style, you can generate images using chat GPT. Depends on the individual and also on the requirement. If you are really creating a video, you want this particular image, you can generate using chat GPT. Here there are no other specific tools, okay, to generate images. Just you have to mention in the prompt generate image. You have to use this word, then only it is going to generate the image. Even we can also edit this image. Okay, so change the color of penguin to yellow and generate again. So we can also edit any corrections also, we can tell here. Okay, so whatever the tool you like, you use the tool for generating images as well. Okay, ChatGPT is also good at generating images, but depending upon the requirement, you have to select what image is suitable for your present situation. So present video, anywhere what you want. Okay, so this was the DALI model ChatGPT uses. So this uses Flux model. The model names were different. Okay, so based on the data it trained, based on the pattern it was trained, it is going to generate the output. Okay, so try to use both ChatGPT and Gemini also for creating image for the same prompt. Okay, so whatever you like, share that image in our WhatsApp group. Okay, so what the creative image what you have designed. So just I have given a little bit correction, so it changed the color of penguin to yellow. Okay, so isn't it amazing? So within fraction of seconds, we are able to generate beautiful images, and in further sessions, a beautiful videos also we are able to generate using these tools. Okay, but always remember, never ever completely depend on these tools. Okay, the human intelligence should always work. We have to take the additional help from these tools. Okay. So try to explore ChatGPT and Gemini. Today's task is to generate the beautiful image that is suitable for your story. Okay, and also try to create a storybook, the gem, what is already predefined in Gemini. You use that gem and try to create a beautiful creative story with your best prompt. Okay, so I think everyone will try. So also use your intelligence, okay, and take the help. I can see that, okay, from your output what you have shared. So you have taken it directly from ChatGPT, or you have put your efforts in generating this. It makes you to practice whenever you got any doubt. So you don't completely rely on ChatGPT. Okay, so you can ask in the particular format what you want. Okay, so clear, right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
the next session, we are going to learn Perplexity tool and also Notebook LM. Okay. These two tools are also very important for you. Okay. So for doing proper research, Perplexity helps. Okay. So if you want to do deeper research in any particular topic, it is going to help. There are many advanced automations as well using this Perplexity. Okay. Simply you can tell the browser, go to Amazon, check this product, place the product, add to cart, so complete the payment. It is going to complete that payment. This kind of automations are already included. Okay, so the separate browser was designed by Perplexity team. Okay, so we are going to learn in the next sessions. Do practice. So mainly focus on giving the good prompts. Okay, so the prompt is very important for any tool. It decides the output. The instruction decides the output. It should be very clear. It should include all your ideas, what you want to generate. Okay, so are you able to do today's task? You have to apply your intelligence. I will
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
output. Okay, yes. Very good. Okay. So Aryan and also Shrina, so to complete the yesterday's task as well, try to generate the quiz. If you're not able to do that, in the next class I'm going to explain. Okay.
Ma'am, when is the next class, ma'am?
Monday. So Monday. Next class is on Monday.
Okay.
Okay, yes. You have to share your storybook as well after generating the story. Okay, till now what we have discussed, I will give a proper notebook format document. So please revise those things. Okay. And Aryan, I'm going to share the document link. So you click that and download that application so that you can able to get open all the documents in your tab as well. Okay.
Ma'am, is class there tomorrow?
No, the class is on Monday. Next class is on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So practice well. You can apply your creativity using these two tools. In further sessions, we'll explore more other tools. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
So is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Okay,
Yes,
then. So let
ma'am.
me okay then. So let me close the session for today. Okay.
Okay.
Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.